Okay, right now, somewhere inside your leadership team, there are actually gaps. Now, this is not in talent, not in ambition, but in the operating system your team works within. And those gaps are actually costing you. And not in theory, this is real money. Just as an example, a business turning over, say, £3 million or dollars typically loses between 90 and 165,000 pounds every year because of structural failures nobody is running. I'm Vijay Mistri. I'm a leadership operating system architect, and I've spent years inside boardrooms as a group finance and commercial director. I drove 20-fold revenue growth across 3 companies, and I've spent the last 3 decades identifying the patterns that stop good businesses from becoming great ones. What I found is this: there are actually 15 specific gaps that appear in every sector, every geography, and every size of leadership team. And underneath every single one of those gaps is a human barrier, a behavior, a belief, a conversation that has been avoided so consistently it has quietly become the culture. And most practitioners normally fix one or the other, the structure or the mindset, and the result is always the same, because what happens is within 90 days the old patterns return. What I do is I fix both at the same time. That is the difference, and this is my philosophy. I fix the system and I shift the thinking that built it. So if you want to know which gaps are active in your particular business right now, I press upon you to start with the Hidden Value Report. There are only about 40 questions, and what you'll get is a 30+ page report. You'll also get a CEO heat map delivered within 24 hours and a personalized video training within a week. Link is on this page. I'm Vijay Mistri. Clarity first, impact fast.